In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Shein free trial center. This will be especially useful if you're a fashion enthusiast looking to try out some products without the initial expense. So let's dive right in and get started on this simple but effective guide. First things first, we need to go to the Shein website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser that you use on a day-to-day basis. Once your browser is up, simply type Shein into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see the link to the Shein website pop up among the search results. Go ahead and click on it. If you're a fan of fashion and trends, you'll know that Shein is an excellent place to keep your wardrobe fresh and current. Now that you're on the Shein homepage, our next step is to look for the free trial center. But instead of navigating through the website, we have a much quicker method. Simply get back to your search bar and this time type in Shein Free Trial Center. Press enter and a list of search results should appear. You might be wondering what exactly a free trial center is. Well, it's a great feature offered by Shein where you can apply to try out certain products for free. This is excellent because it allows you to test the quality and style of their items without having to purchase them outright. It's a risk-free way to explore new pieces that might just become some of your wardrobe favorites. In the search results, locate the link to the Shein Free Trial Center and click on it. This should take you directly to a dedicated section within Shein's website where various free trial products are available. You'll find a diverse selection of clothing, accessories, and possibly even some home items waiting for you to explore. Each trial product comes with application details, so be sure to read through them to understand how it works and how you can become eligible to receive these products for a trial run. Often, it involves a simple application process, and that's pretty much it. By following these easy steps, you've gained access to Shein's free trial center without hassle. Now that you're here, take the time to browse through the available products and see if there's anything that piques your interest. If you find something you like, don't hesitate to apply. Who knows, you might just find your next favorite outfit. Thank you for tuning into this guide. I hope it was helpful and gave you the clarity you needed to navigate to the Shein Free Trial Center confidently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave them in the comments. Happy shopping, and I'll see you in the next video.